Hello, just a quick message here, taking up a few minutes of your day to help you discover some things you can do when you're feeling anxious or uneasy or even angry. When you think about those three emotions, those three states of mind, there are many factors that come into play and many things that can send us into feeling that way. It can be a thought, it can be something we witness, it can be something we do that then allow us to start feeling this way. One thing that's been very helpful and that I find really useful that you can do when you're feeling anxious is to stop, slow down, and just breathe. Many times, when we start feeling strong emotions, the first thing we do is we tense up or we freeze. Historically, that's been known in psychology as the fight or flight. So when those things happen, it was way back in prehistoric times. It was because maybe, you know, there was a bear, a lion, a tiger, there was some threat of danger. With modern times, we don't have that threat of danger as often in life, but we do have situations that make us feel threatened or that we're afraid of. So taking big belly breaths and holding it for 4 seconds and then slowly exhaling through your mouth helps begin to slow down your thoughts, slow down your heart rate, and also relax your body. So the next time you're in a situation and you're starting to feel stressed, tense, anxious, or worried, take 3 slow breaths in, pause for 4 seconds, and then exhale through your mouth. And another very helpful something if you're dealing with symptoms of anxiety kind of regular, believe it or not, is to gargle. When we gargle, we help to relax this thing that's within us called the vagus nerve. And when we relax the vagus nerve, it helps us to get through the situation with less stress, anxiety, and frustration. So thank you for your time and have a great day.